Hey guys, Pro here, and what the heck? I don't even know what that was for, but I have updated my program a bunch, and well, it's really updated, and the actually, yeah, I'm pretty sure I haven't had any help since the last time I uploaded this video. Everything I've done since the last video has all been me doing it. And I think you guys will really like it. It's got a thing to it. That's actually please. Alright, let's do game 6 first, which is the main base setup. And oh, sorry, I did that wrong. It's WASD, and you can kind of just move it around. This is game 6 though. I have a newer version of this, but I just kind of want to show you that you can kind of move it around. And I'll show you the code later. It's really noobish of a code, but it works good enough for me. And of course, press something else, you went crazy. And here's the new one. It's actually got a thing. And basically there's 3 levels, and you want to find the hidden door by a 2 key combination. So the first one is right, which is D, and then up, which is W, and it's going to stage 2. And the second one is left, and then up, and now it's going to stage 3. And the third one is up, and then up again, and I win, and it closes it. And if I were to say I'm gonna, like, this isn't right, I'm gonna say if I press down and then up, I lost. It didn't work, and it canceled the game. And same with, like, if I went to stage 2 first and then went like down and right. See, it's cool. It's like I actually made a little video game, and it's actually got a goal and everything. And just to show you the basic setup, here's the how it works. This is game 6, as you saw, the one where you just move it around. And basically it's just got print these things. And then well, yeah, you can kind of tell it's actually got on this one, after it does this, like if I press W, it'll not only go up one, it'll go to, well, I just named it go to, and it's right here. And this is all the more variables for the up, after the up. So now if I were to, this would be up again, so now it would go 50 spaces. Like, it's kind of got the clear screen in it too, and I cleared the screen by going 50 spaces down. And then, as you saw, going up 1 would do just slash like that. And then once I go up 1, it sends it to this, and then this is the next ones I can input and if I want to go up again, it'll do 2 slashes, because it resets it back to the default stage, you know, every time it does this. And like the 50, every time it does that, it resets it. And yeah, basically for the other ones too, it just kind of all syncs together. And it's just a lot of these. I don't know, it asked for a bunch of those. I don't know, it's 15 per, like, block of these. You'll get what I mean when I show you the next one. Also, this one's not too advanced. It's just the one that you can move around, which is cool. And game 7, which is the most advanced one, for one, it's 664 lines of code, because it's just a monster. I actually labeled it though, each one. So this and down is stage 3, and of course, it's just like the other one. And I basically have like each one in here. If you can even understand what's happening, actually, I'll go back to number 1 and show you. So basically, of course, this is actually exactly the same as the other one, except, yeah, it's exactly the same. And then it, of course, has the go-to, except for I changed the stuff. Instead of it just going back to the 1 and circling around, it'll, if I type in the wrong one, like I showed you, it'll say you lose. And the one that actually makes you go to the next level on this one is in Go 5, which you can kind of, at looking at this file, you can kind of tell which buttons to press by seeing which one it says. So Go 5 is, like 5 is the 4th key, which is D. So it would basically mean D, and then the first if is W, so D, and then W, which is right, and then up, and then it'll say going to stage 2, and then it goes to faux 1, which is what I named the next one. And you can just kind of see it's just kind of repeating, and I changed it. I of course changed it up a little bit. And faux 3 would be left, like this one. This is to get to stage 3, and it's left and then up. Gosh, this is so boring to some people. I don't know. My friend, actually, there's a funny story behind it why I even did the doors. It's because my friend at school, I was showing him a video of the game 6, and when I would press and go around, he thought that the little white thing right there was a door. And so he's like, oh, you're trying to get to the door or something? And I was like, no. And so I was in school, mostly 6 hours when I came up with the idea, but 7th hours math. And I don't know, just thinking around, and I kind of got the idea in my head, went home and ran it, and got the doors. I didn't make the doors visible, of course, because then it would be really easy. So I made it kind of a guessing game. And I think it turned out really well, especially for me doing it all on my own, basically. And it's just so cool. And I go up, and I go up. Yay, I won! Okay, I get a cookie. I'll put that later. You want a cookie? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, well, I guess I'll probably have Game 6 and Game 7 up for download, of course. And, like always, peace out.